Let's simplify this one question. So just try to understand what the question is given. So let x, y and z be real numbers satisfying the entire equation, and this equation is equated to a, and the 4 times of x minus y minus z is equal to 3 plus a, then we have to find the value of a, right? Okay, so when he is asking us to find the value of a, so a is equal to this entire term, right? So what we required is we need to get the values of x, y and z. Once we get the values of x, y and z, then we can substitute and we'll get the answer for the a. Okay, so what we can do is, see, you can either you can simplify this one and directly you can substitute the value of a, or else shift this everything and substitute that value of a. Okay, anything is okay. So let's simplify this this way. The entire term we will multiply with the 4. So this will be 4 times of x minus 4 times of y minus 4 times of z is equal to 3 plus a. So a is nothing but this entire term, right? So we will multiply this again and we'll substitute that. So plus, since we were having the plus sign, so indirectly we will take this. Okay, so 4 into x square is 4x square plus 4y square plus 4z square. Okay, so still if I analyze this one question, so we can take everything to the one side. So otherwise you keep this 3 as it is, anything is okay. So we'll do one thing, we'll shift this everything to the right side. So this will become 0 is equal to 3 times of plus 4x square as it is plus 4y square plus 4z square and minus 4x. So minus 4y it is plus 4y and minus 4z is plus 4z. Okay, so once if we observe this, if I consider only the x terms, okay, if I consider only the x terms, we'll take it to the one side here, so that we can simplify this in we can use this any formula, right? So it is minus 4x plus 4y square, and we have the plus 4y plus 4z square plus 4z. Okay, still if I analyze this, you just understand this one particular case. We have the 4x square minus 4x, right? So in case of this 4x square minus 4x, when we observe, is it in the format of a minus b or a plus b whole square format? Yes, but what is missing, just try to understand. Suppose if I am taking it as a square in the sense, it would be a 2x whole square, right? It would, because we were having here 4 in the sense it is the square of the 2. So if I consider this 4x square as 2x whole square, that will become a square. Then minus 2ab format is there. But what is missing here, it is the plus b square format is missing, right? So we'll do one thing. Since he has given the 3 here, so we'll split this 3 as a like 1, 1, 1. So when I split this 3 as a 1, 1, 1, see, one more thing you can do, you can take the 4 also common here. Okay, that is the one thing we can take, or else you divide this 3 with the by 4, so each and every terms will be getting cancelled with the 4. That is also the way you can do. Instead of doing that way, what easiest way is, we'll keep these terms as it is. Okay, so I'll take this 3 as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So this term, which is 4x square minus 4x, 1 I'll keep it here, that is plus 1, plus, let's take this y square term, which means y terms will take 4y square plus 4y, and one more 1 is here, plus 4z square plus 4z, and another 1 is whatever it is left, that will be taken that side. See here, 1 plus 1 plus 1 entire it is 3. That 3 we have split in that format. Now we will consider only this one case. Okay, try to understand here. If I take this one and if I take this as a one separate part, when we observe, it is a format of a minus b whole square, or in case of this, since we have all the 5 positive signs, it can be a plus b whole square format also, right? So based on that, in case of this, I'll take the value of a as 2x. Okay, just try to understand. If I take a value as 2x, the equation should be satisfied again. If I convert this as a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square format, again whatever the original equation is there, it should be there. Okay, So I'll take the a value as 2x, then I'll take the b value as 1. So it is a minus b whole square format. Okay. Now just try to check it now. 2x whole square, which is a square, is nothing but the 4x square, plus b square. B value is 1, which is 1 square is 1 itself, minus 2ab. Minus 2ab in the sense 2 to the 4, 4x into 1 will be again it is a 4x itself. So it is we can write down this as a minus b whole square format. Similarly, if I observe these everything, it is a format of a plus b whole square format only, right? So take that way. So it is plus, since we have the y term here, it is 2y plus 1 whole square. Again check it, it will be same only now. 2y whole square is 4y square and b square is 1 square is 1 only. 2ab in the sense 2 to the 4y. Okay. Then again simplify this one. We can write this as a 2z plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now this entire term is equal to 0. Now there is a condition. Okay. Sum of the squares of the term is getting equal to 0, which means each terms can be equated to the 0. What I'm saying is, since we have the sum and square for this entire sum is equal to 0. Then what we can say is individual terms, that is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0, then a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 0 respectively. Okay. So based on that concept, if I consider this part, which is 2x minus 1, it is equal to 0, which means x value we are getting 1 by 2. Similarly, if I equate 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, plus 1 we will shift that side, it is a minus 1, then y value will be minus 1 by 2. Similarly, because both the terms are same, only one thing is variable is different here, z value will get it as minus 1 by 2. Okay, so required values of x, y and z we got it, right? Now what we have to do is, since he is asking us to find the value of a, substitute the values of x, y and z here, and that will be our final answer. So if you want to do it separately, or we will substitute directly here itself. Okay. So since it is x square yani ki it is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 whole square is nothing but 1 by 4. Similarly, y square, z square. Since we have a negative sign for this and we have a square for that term, right, it will be get eliminated. So finally, x square is 1 upon 4, y square is 1 upon 4, z square is 1 upon 4. So entirely if I add 1 upon 4, let us simplify here itself. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. The LCM is common here. So we can take the common LCM is 4 and add all the numerators, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives us 3. So if I simplify this further, the value of a will be what? It is 3. Okay. So this is this option is given, right? Yes. So the first option, which is 3, is the right answer. Okay.